We all possess an inherent desire to grow, to learn, and to become the best versions of ourselves. Yet, our journey towards personal and professional fulfillment is often hindered by a limiting belief system, the fixed mindset. This mindset, deeply ingrained in many of us, assumes that our talents and abilities are innate and unchangeable. We believe we are born with a certain level of intelligence, creativity, or athleticism, and that these traits are fixed and unalterable. This fixed mindset, however, can be a significant obstacle to personal and professional growth. It leads us to avoid challenges, to fear failure, and to give up easily when faced with obstacles. We may be quick to label ourselves as not good enough or not talented enough, and we may shy away from new experiences that could stretch our limits and broaden our horizons. In stark contrast to the fixed mindset is the growth mindset, a powerful belief system that emphasizes the malleability of our abilities. This mindset recognizes that our talents and intelligence are not fixed traits, but rather skills that can be developed and strengthened through dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Individuals with a growth mindset view challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. They embrace setbacks as valuable lessons, analyzing their mistakes and identifying areas for improvement. They see effort as the key to mastery, and they persist in the face of obstacles, viewing them as stepping stones on the path to success. Imagine a student facing a challenging math problem. A student with a fixed mindset might quickly give up, believing that they simply aren't good at math. They may view the challenge as a reflection of their inherent limitations, leading to feelings of frustration and discouragement. In contrast, a student with a growth mindset would approach the problem with curiosity and a desire to learn. They would view the challenge as an opportunity to stretch their abilities, to learn new concepts, and to develop their problem-solving skills. They would persist in their efforts, seeking help from teachers or peers, and ultimately, they would experience the satisfaction of overcoming a challenging obstacle. Cultivating a growth mindset is not merely a matter of changing our beliefs, it's about transforming our relationship with learning and embracing a lifelong journey of continuous improvement. Here are some strategies for cultivating a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, actively seek out new challenges and step outside your comfort zone. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Persevere in the face of obstacles, don't give up easily. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and keep striving towards your goals. Embrace effort, understand that success requires consistent effort and dedication. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge the value of hard work. Learn from feedback, seek out constructive criticism and use it as an opportunity for growth. Find inspiration in others, learn from the stories of individuals who have overcome challenges and achieved remarkable success through hard work and perseverance. Cultivating a growth mindset is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort, self-reflection, and a willingness to embrace change. But the rewards of cultivating a growth mindset are immense. It empowers us to achieve our full potential, to overcome challenges, and to live a life of continuous learning and growth. In conclusion, the power of a growth mindset cannot be overstated. It is the foundation for personal and professional success, enabling us to embrace challenges, overcome obstacles, and achieve our dreams. By cultivating a growth mindset, we can unlock our true potential, live a life of purpose and meaning, and make a positive impact on the world around us. Let us choose to embrace challenges, to learn from our mistakes, and to cultivate a growth mindset. Let us unleash our potential, achieve our goals, and live a life of continuous learning and growth. Thank you.